Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today we're talking about Bitcoin price cashes 47%, sending to currency market into a big red. So before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and also smash the like button. And if you have any comments or suggestion below, you can put it in the comment box. So let's continue. Bitcoin price cashes 40%, sending cryptocurrency market into a big mess. Why? What happened? Why this in the market? Now, looking at the news that was released, they said Bitcoin sold off sharply in the past hour on rumor of the US Treasury charging several financial instruments for money laundering using cryptocurrency. So, and with this news, has already sent Bitcoin from $60,000 to around $51,000. Now, not only that one, let's also look at this about the outage in China. Let's come down. Now, other news also said that it was as a result of the hash rate that was reduced, which was a result from the non-miners that caused this. Because once the hash rate reduces, the price of Bitcoin will also reduce. Now, let's look at it. They said an estimate of the computing power dedicated to the network by miners crashed by almost half, according to some estimates. This was due to a massive outage in China province, home to a large number of miners, which began 2 days ago. So, they're not saying in a classic depiction of the old adage, price follows hash rate. Bitcoin is then caught up with reality. So that's it. You understand? Price and hash rate are being correlated. That is, if the price increases, the hash rate increases. If the hash rate falls, the price falls. So they are autocorrelated together. So the price and the hash rate move pari passu. They move together. So now, looking at those two, this is graph we got the grass node and others too. But not only that, let me dive into the chart of Bitcoin. Now, this is the chart of Bitcoin. Looking at it currently, and based on what we are seeing here currently, Bitcoin, with this red candle, strong candle, broke out of this ascending wedge, and after that, it came to this particular trend line, which is on that red trend line, and the support zone, which is between around 56,000 and $54,000, which owed the price of Bitcoin, because initially Bitcoin was pushed to around $51,000, and around that level there is a strong support there also, which pushed the price of Bitcoin backward to the support zone of around $54,000, $55,000, and then that zone is already a strong level which owed the price of Bitcoin. But if you look at it very well, if you zoom it, you see that after the breakthrough of that trend line, the price of Bitcoin will push above the trend line, but got a rejection from it. Now, what we can expect from this particular formation is means that we can see the price of Bitcoin consolidating for some time between this level, between these 54,000, between these between 58,000 and 53,000 level. I consolidate within that region before breaking up this trend line, this red trend line. But if this particular level, this particular support can't hold the price, you might see the price coming to around $51,000 again. But even if the price will come to around $54,000, it's still a good zone for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin price is still, the market is still in trend, it's still in healthy movement. Do you understand? But once the price of Bitcoin breaks below this $51,000, that means Bitcoin is already pulling down, and you might be seeing Bitcoin coming to around 40,000, like that. but that will be too extreme for Bitcoin. So I feel these levels should hold Bitcoin. And looking at it, I'm seeing that this is an opportunity for the whales to shake off the weak ones, the weak ants. You understand? So that they can accumulate more Bitcoin. And what I will say that don't get shaken off by the waves, don't get shaken off by the news. You understand? Even though this news is very important, but this is a sort of manipulation. That's what I feel. So I feel that you should still hold your position. Don't get shaken off, and don't sell up, and don't panic and sell off your holdings. So, and even this is another buy signal for coins, for Bitcoin. If you have any potential coin that you have been wanted to get in since, this is an opportunity for you to get into those coins. Hold your position. I feel everything comes right based on this analysis I gave. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed and you're watching this video now, please press the subscribe button now. I'm waiting. Yeah, thank you very much for pressing that subscribe button and smash the like button. That's all for today. God bless.